Our next presenter is a Grammy award-winning icon, actress, and the voice behind the classic hit, Who's That Girl? Do you know who I'm talking about? Please welcome to the stage the legendary Eve. And alongside Eve, welcome Vishen.
What's up, y'all? You having a good night? Being a star on stage takes a lot of dedication and real, true heart. And that is something that I truly do live my life by.
You know, Eve, you were telling me on stage when we interviewed about gratitude, right? And how you're constantly, like, so grateful for the life you lead.
Always.
And every time you have an audience, your goal is to make that audience leave, what?
Happy.
Happy. Happier than when they came in.
Yes.
This next award goes to someone from our Mind Valley community that embodies that spirit. So every year during the summer, we have a 3-week event called Mind Valley University. We put 50 world-class speakers on stage, and we open up 50 spots for our community all around the world to apply. And people apply, and we put people on stage, and we seek to find new talent. It's sort of like an audition. There was this one woman who came on stage this summer in Tallinn, Estonia. Her workshop sold out. And when we didn't have any more space for her workshops, she went and rented her own studio. And without charging, because you're not allowed to charge, she served healing to 700 people on her own dime, staying back in Estonia for 3 weeks straight. That heart is incredibly generous and beautiful. She seeks to make everyone happier than when they first stepped in. And not only that, but when we looked at the ratings and the reviews, she was one of our highest rated new speakers. And so this special award goes to a newly discovered community talent. I think this person is going to be the next superstar of personal growth. Please give it up to Dawn Hong. Woo!
Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Mind Valley, Vishen, and everybody here, and everybody who is connected to Mind Valley, and every person in the world that is here to bring light and goodness in their heart full out in this life, because we are moving into a new era where we are going to rise into a space where heaven on earth actually exists in this space, and I have full confidence in this. Because each and every one of you has this special light, this special gift in your heart that resonates and shifts this world together, and we do it as a collective. And so I just want everybody here to always know, just to serve from your heart, follow your bliss, and keep on persevering, because that's what I did in my life. No matter how much hardship I've ever experienced in my life, I just kept on going. And now I'm at this place in my life where I can really help people at a whole different level, where I activate their gifts of their Kundalini energy and get them totally connected to Source. So thank you so much for this award. Thank you.
Congratulations, Dawn, for this well-deserved recognition, and huge thank you to Eve and Vishen for presenting this special award.